And now, we proudly present the Festival of the Lion King.
Greetings, everyone. Abhorrent. Welcome. We have been expecting you. We are here today to welcome you, one and all, to the Festival of the Lion King. In this land, we welcome you. Hello. Welcome. We are a band of singers who travel with Simba and his friends throughout the land with this celebration. Time for introductions. My name is Kiyume, and I am the leader of our group. Kiyume is Swahili for masculine and strong. What do you think? Lekawa,
Which is Swahili for good looking.
Hey, good looking.
and this is Completo,
Which means impatient.
It means princess.
and finally we had Zoe.
Which is Swahili for the gift.
The gift.
I said the gift, and if you want to stay good looking, you best back off that attitude, mister. Besides, you think I'm the gift, don't you? What's your name? Jamal? Well, I think that's Swahili for my new best friend.
Everyone, Simba and the gang will be arriving here any minute now. And we want them to feel welcome when they get here. So we are going to need your help.
And since this is the animal kingdom and we're surrounded by animals, and Simba and the gang are animals, we should greet them like
So
Animals!
for our Beasley pep rally, each of us will help lead one of the 4 animal sections. Let's see, I'll take the elephants.
I'll take the giraffe.
I'll take the lion.
And I'll take the warthogs. And Jamon, my friend, you're gonna come help me tame this warthog section, yes? Alrighty, everyone give Jamon a hand as he joins me. Alrighty, gang, listen up. Jamon here will demonstrate the sound that we as fellow warthogs will make. Alrighty, put your fingers up by your face to be your tusks and snort like a warthog. Whoa, that's pretty good. Now, honey, you need a tissue or you good? You good? Alrighty, stay with me. Let's turn around and help our friends out. Warthogs, tusks up. On the count of 3, let's hear what you can do. 1, 2, 3. Now that is the most disgusting thing I've ever heard. I love it.
Here we go, lions. This is my new friend Ridgely, all the way from Pennsylvania. And he is going to show us his best lion imitation. All right, Ridgely, go and get your paws up like this. Perfect. Now let's hear your roar. Roar! Yeah, that was ferocious, Ridgely. Great job. Hey, we're going to turn around to help out our lion friends. All right, guys, go to get those paws up. And on the count of 3, let's hear some lions. 1, 2, 3. Now that's a lion.
Time for the elephants. We have Wyatt. It's his birthday. I asked him where he's from. He says, I'm from my mama. He's going to be my elephant leader today, Wyatt. Arm in the air for the elephant's trunk. Wyatt, put your arm in the air, please. Thank you. And now, let's hear that elephant call. Wyatt, as an elephant, I will never forget. Turn this way, my friend. Stay with me. Our turn. Trunks up. On the count of 3, let's trumpet. Triumphant. 1, 2, 3. Yes, the mighty pachyderm.
Okay, my turn. I'm next. Everyone, this is my friend Emmanuel, all the way from Texas. And Emmanuel is gonna show us what sound a giraffe makes. Okay, go. Oh. You don't know what sound a giraffe makes? That's okay, I didn't either. But then I looked it up, and it said that they make a low bleating sound, kind of like a sheep. You ready to try again? Okay, giraffe sound, go. Simba. Oh, that's right. Great job. Now let's help our giraffe friends, okay? Giraffes necks in the air and bleat. And there you have giraffes.
Very well then. Now there'll be no animal sounds. I think we're all set. Watch us. We'll make sure you are cued and ready to go.
Hey, everyone. I think I hear them coming.
Wonderful. Right on time. Now, on the count of 3, let's use those sounds to call them in. All together now. 1, 2, 3. Shh. Everyone, listen. It is time. And now, I present to you His Majesty, the Lion King.
Welcome, everyone. It's me, Simba. You've all picked a very special day to visit. You see, today, we've come to town for a big celebration, and you, my friends, are invited to join in the fun.
Come on, everybody. Get ready to clap your paws, stomp your hooves, and ruffle your feathers as we welcome you to the Festival of the Lion King.
Let the procession begin.
I just can't wait to be king.
Hiya, folks. How you doing? Don't worry, your old buddy Timon is here. The show can begin.
Timon!
Oh, I just can't wait to be king.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
big star coming through. Big cat on a mission here. It's showtime. All right, now move aside. That's enough. Let's settle down. For the last time. Quiet! Thank you. Maestro, if you please. Hakuna Matata. What a wonderful phrase. Hakuna Matata. Ain't no passing craze. Hey, Popo, what are you doing over there? My little legs can't make it down off this float. Oh, gee, that's too bad. Guess I gotta do a solo. Hakuna Matata. What's going on here? What are you doing? Well, this stinks. Sorry. No, not you, Pumba. They're ruining my big number. But they're so cute. Cute? Look at them. They're picking bugs off each other. Hors d'oeuvres. Come on, everybody. You know the words. Hakuna Matata. What a wonderful phrase. Hakuna Matata. Ain't no passing craze. You need no worries for the rest of your days. It's our problem-free philosophy. Hakuna Matata. That's our motto. What's a motto? I don't know. What's a motto with you? There they go again. You ain't seen nothing yet. Direct from a record-breaking 2 million years at the bottom of the evolutionary ladder. Let's hear it for the Tumble Monkeys. the hula. Ta hua ila, ta hua ila ila, la 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 la. Hey, what are you monkeys doing? Why are you packing up? We're about to do a snappy Songs of the South Seas medley. Hello, get back here. We're not done yet. We got at least another 3 hours of material left. Now just put all this stuff back and we'll get on with the... Hey, Maestro, what's with the music? Something tells me this ain't the floor show. Ah! Hey, what the... Hey there, big fella. Hey, nice hat. So, where you from? Yikes! Let's get out of here!
I know your powers of retention. I was wet as a woodhog's backside. But think as you are, pay attention. Our words are a matter of pride. It's clear from your feelings expressions. The lights are not all there. But we are talking kings and successions. If you can be caught unaware, so for the chance of a lifetime, be prepared for sensational news. A shining era is tiptoeing nearer, and where do we feature? Just listen to teacher. I know it sounds sorry, but you'll be rewarded when at last I am given my dues. And injustice, delicious experience. Planning, tenacity spanning, decade denial, simply vile. The kingdom is muted, respected, saluted, and seen for the wonder I am. Yes, my kingdom ambitions are bad. Be prepared. Yes, our kingdom ambitions are bad.
Moment, and it sees me through. It's enough for this restless world just to be with you. And can you feel the love tonight? The peace the evening brings. The world for once in perfect harmony with all its living things. And can you feel the love tonight? You need
harmony with all its living things. That, my friends, is a time for joyous celebration. For when all things exist in balance, it is then that we are connected in the great circle, the circle of life.
A daily arrive on the planet, and thinking step into the sun. There's more to see than can ever be seen, more to do than can ever be done. There's far too much to take in here, more to fight than can ever be found. With the sun rolling high, with the sapphire sky keeps great and small on the endless round. It's a circle of life, and it moves us all through the sky and
And now, everybody, it's time to kick off our celebration finale.
Sounds great, Simba.
Let's have a party.
Everyone,
sing along. Let me hear you sing. Baby, there's more than the lion sleeping tonight. What kind of sing-along do you call that?
Well, darling, I don't know about your warthogs, but my giraffes were right on key.
and my elephants didn't seem to have the problem.
Oh, okay. I think we're being challenged. I'll tell you what. Our lions and warthogs against your giraffes and elephants. Your section sing the noise and we'll do the hard part.
And that part would be...
Could be me. Observe.
That's right, our lions and warthogs will sing the high part.
The giraffes and the elephants will sing the weak boy.
But who will sing the melody?
Step aside, out of the way, professional artiste coming through. Me, 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 me. Excuse me, my human friends. I guess that leaves me to sing the melody. So, if you're finished with all the talking, can we start already?
All right, Timon. Let's take it from the top.
Sing to in the jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion sleeps tonight. In the jungle, the quiet jungle, the lion sleeps tonight.
I think it's pretty clear. The giraffes and the elephants won.
Yeah, a minute. It's pretty clear, all right. Pretty clear that the lions and warthogs won.
You know what I think?
What?
I think it's time to finish the song. But my darling, don't fear, my darling, the lion sleeps tonight.
I said, hush, my darling, don't fear, my darling, the lion sleeps tonight.
Hakuna Matata, Hakuna Matata, Hakuna Matata.
No worries for the rest of your days. It's our problem free. Philosophy, Hakuna Matata.
Ooh, yeah. Can you feel the love tonight? Can you feel love tonight? The peace living brings. Oh, the world for once in perfect harmony with all its living things.
For the coup of the century, be prepared for Murder's kind. Meticulous planning, tenacity span. King of denial is simply vile. Be king undisputed, respect and salute. I sing for the wonder I am. Cross my teeth and ambitions are clear. Be prepared.
Coming on to go the road, yeah, see, let's see, and I heard it on me, yeah, a simplicity. Oh, I just can't wait to be king. Oh, I just can't wait to be king. I just can't wait to be king. Oh.
It's the circle of life, and it moves the soul to the certain home. Till we find our place, I'm the path
Who's us all? The circle of life.
Till we find our place.
Is this thing on? Okay. Hello there. This is Timon. We hope you enjoyed the show. It was great having you with us. You were a lovely group. The best audience ever. Now, please